Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today. Today on Sunday, I've told you earlier, on Sunday we usually solve the puzzles in the additional, but there's no additional in the weekend edition. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzle in the puzzle page of the Saturday newspaper, Saturday, September the 21st, 2023. We have two puzzles left. The Sudoku with 3 stars, well, it's actually a 2 stars. And we have a binary left, yes. And after these two puzzles, I will solve the rest of the puzzles in the Friday edition. There are 3 puzzles left in the Friday edition. And in the evening, I will solve the Samurai Sudoku, yeah. And this one will be number 7151. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Should be a 1-star puzzle. And for 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. I don't think it's really a 3 stars puzzle, but we will see. For a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the numbers 8 and a 6. We have an 8 and a 6 in this row, so no 8 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. 8 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 6, 8 and a 6. We have an 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 6 goes there, so 2 numbers left. In this big square, 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Alright. Okay. 1 in this row. 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1. 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 7 goes there. Okay. Alright. Let me think. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We see an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the third row, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. Okay. Alright. Then. Yeah. Let me think. 7. Here we have also 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and a 5. We have 8 and a 5 in the last row, so no 8 and 5 in these 2 boxes. 8 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 5, 8 and 5. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 5 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 and a 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 6 goes there. 6, 6. 2, 2. And now. Need a 6 here, yeah. 6 in the last row, 6 in a row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We see a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. Here, 6 in the second column, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 5, 3. Well. Need to think. 9. We have a pair. 5 and a 9 in the last row. 5 and a 9 in the row above. So that row, only 2 places left with 5 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have 5 in the second column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there. 5, 5. Then, well, we have 3, 3. Need a 1, need a 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 3, and a 4. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. We have 4 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And look, we have 1 and 2 in this column, so no 1 and 2 in this box. We have also a 4 in the last row, so no 4 in this box. So 1 digit left should be the 3. Okay. So the 1, 2, and a 4 are left. 1, 2, and 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. We have a 4 in the last row, so no 4 there. So the only place left for 4 should be here. So the 1 and 2 are left now. 1 and a 2. 9 and a 3. We have 3 now in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Then 4 in the third row, 4 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. Yeah, 4 in that column, no 4 there. Only place left for the 4 should be there. Then 1, 2, need a 9 here. Okay, need a 1 here. Need a 2 there. Need a 6 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. I'm thinking 1 box. No. Here 1 and a 2 also. 1, 2, and need a 3 here. 7, 8, 4. No. Come on. 3 in this row. 3 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column. In the middle column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. All right. Okay, and now well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 and 7 is missing. 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 7 in this row. So no 2 and a 7 in this box. 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 5. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Then 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6 and 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have 6 in this middle row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. The 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in the first row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then 1, 1. Need a 7, 7, 7. And I need a 6, 6, 6. Yeah, 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 1 goes there. 2 and 7, we have a 7 now in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 2 goes there. 1 box left in this row, first row for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1. 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for number 1. The 2 is missing. Then the 1 in this column, the 1 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. Well, made a mistake. Cannot believe this. Double 3 here. This should be a 2. Yeah, because we have those 2 boxes, 1 or a 2. This should be a 2. Yeah, this should be the 2, 2, 2, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 3, 3 is missing here. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left on 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, only place left for the 8 should be there. I can place the 2 here. Okay, final 2 numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there, 13 minutes. Told you. Need to be faster than 15 minutes. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle in this puzzle page, the binary. Until then, bye bye for now.